शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. The question is, Guruji, I have been doing the meditation from 3 years regularly, continuously, but still I have many thoughts during the meditation. Many thoughts are coming during the meditation. Am I advancing in my meditation, or it is just I have to, be with these thoughts, witness the thoughts, and never attain the concentration in my life? This is the one of the question. It is not a beginner question. Beginners ask this question. Guruji, I am focusing, but I cannot able to hold the concentration. So many thoughts are coming. I used to say it needs some time, 1 or 2 months or 3 months to develop that concentration. And in the beginning, the thoughts will come from outside. As you progress, what happens? Thoughts will release from inside. You need to know that. Why there are so many thoughts are coming? Because of you having so many desires, so many responsibilities, so many attachment. The day you detach and focus 100% attachment to Divine Mother, what happens? What type of thoughts will come? Divine Mother thoughts will come. Shiva Shakti thoughts will come. Thoughts will be there, but slowly from outside thoughts to Shiva Shakti thoughts will come. Because many people, children have a problem, wife has a problem, husband has a problem, business is not going on. So our soul is distracted from, many places. If those vasanas, those memory centers, those responsibility, that attachment is not overcome, we cannot overcome these thoughts. You observe yourself. What type of thoughts are coming to you? Any other thought apart from your life problems? Any other thoughts? Not at all. So about your own life problems, they are coming. So they are there. So we should not distract ourselves. We should not feel that, my concentration is not developed. I'm not doing well. No. I know that the memory center, my subconscious mind, has all these thoughts. Sometimes it is coming, my responsibility, bringing the attention from outside or inside. I should just witness them and let go. I should not feel that I'm not progressing. You see that? This is very important. Why I'm answering this question? After 3 years of Sri Vidya meditation, still there are thoughts. It's a question mark. Whether I am doing it right or wrong. I need to aware that. The moment you finish your responsibilities, I'm telling you, how is your life? Do you think again you get the same thoughts? No. I need money, I need health, I need to help my child, I need to help my daughter, I need to help my this, home, cleaning, this, that. So many things are there, responsibilities. And we always give a priority to the outside world than the inner world. The day you gave a first priority, first is Lalitambika, then next is other things. Then what happens? The thoughts will be, that is what we say, surrenderance. What is a surrenderance? I need to drop my mind, nothing else. The moment you drop your mind, who you are, that's what I say. The moment you surrender, or the moment you experience the stillness, then you know that you are that. You are that. You are that. So this is very important. Many students ask this question. In the beginning, I can understand so many thoughts will come. That's what I also requested, also suggested. Maintain the same time and same place. Otherwise, what happens? 10 o'clock I meditate today. Tomorrow 6 o'clock I will meditate. Day after tomorrow 7 o'clock I will meditate. So what type of thoughts will come? What I am focused at that time. Early morning, different thoughts will be there. 10 o'clock, if you are going for office thoughts only will come. In the evening, the moment I come outside from the office, that I want to have a tea and news, only those thoughts will come. So we need to understand one time I have to give to Divine Mother and try to maintain the same place where you are doing it, if possible. I can understand some people have a job where the different shift will be there, then you are helpless, you cannot do. But yes, you can manage how much it is possible. You see that when I wanted to think about anything in the external world, how are my thoughts? If I need to get this contract, okay, this deal. When I'm going there, do you think there are any thoughts of Shiva Shakti? Only how I have to talk with him or what I should do. All those thoughts will be there. Only that we call concentration. That time you are not telling, Shiva Shakti thoughts are. So it's very important for us. The day you have really inner burning desire for Lalitambika, Raja Rajeshwar, Mahatripura Sundari, your meditation will be very blissful. You will not complain at all. Only her thoughts will come, messages will come, answer to your questions will come, and solution to your problems will come. I am not connecting at all to her, I am just praying but not receiving. Am I speaking with thought, with a feeling, with some messages coming, but I am not ready to catch it. So this is very important. As we progress, we be aware of the thoughts, but we should not feel that I am not progressing. You are progressing, especially many of our students are householders, where responsibilities are too much. Responsibilities are too much. So we are little bit, our mind is distracted. We need to learn to bring it back and meditate regularly. This is very important. The day you become a desireless, Srividya does that. When we meditate, what happens? Suppressed emotions, anger feeling, depression feeling, for somebody hurt, that feeling, everything start emerging, coming out of you from your emotional body and all the subtle bodies. And then you become a complete pure light being inside. That pure light being, what we call Deva, that is the state of a Deva. Then as you progress and realize the truth that you are a formless, then you reach a state of a Siddha. So from Srividya, Sadhaka, you become a Deva. From Deva to Siddha, Siddha to Aham Brahmasmi. Everywhere you are, all that is you. Okay? So don't worry about the thoughts. Just be aware of the thoughts. Bring your attention back to the meditation. If possible, meditate on the same time and same day and the same place. Every day, same time, same place. That will help to overcome these problems about the thoughts.
Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.